Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear local search history on Play Store. Just keep on watching and let's get started. First, open the Play Store. Click the search for apps and games bar. These are the apps that I searched. Now, go back. Then on the upper left corner, tap the three lines. Then click Settings. Then right here, tap the Clear Local Search History. Now go back and tap Search for apps and games. Now, my local search history is cleared. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!